Okay, back with video I already did, and then I listened to it and I just didn't like it, so I decided I was going to do it again. Big Yellow Taxi, Joni Mitchell, Counting Crows, did it again. I was in high school, so it'll have to be late 90s. Great song. I remember listening to the song when I was a kid. It came on the oldie station my parents always had on. That's why I do a lot of oldie stuff, is because I grew up doing it, right? Grew up hearing it. So, anyways, let's just get straight to it. I talk too much. So, this song is capoed on the first fret. Now, if you don't have the capo, you can bar it, but you've got some reaching to do. So, I just prefer just to capo it. At the end of the video, if I remember, it's a long ways away on this one, I'll show you how to bar it and do that part. But for now, just for simplicity, we are going to do it this way. So we're trying different angles here, see if I can get the strumming and playing all at once in the same shot. So that's an E, that's an A, that's a B. Those are your three chords that you're going to be using in this song. So. So it sounds complicated. It really isn't. It's one of those songs that I like where it sounds harder than it is, and everyone thinks you're a genius for playing it. Those are the best type of songs. But so like I said at the beginning, I'll go back down here. You got your three chords. You got your open, which is a E because of your capo. You've got an A chord, which is barred. Got your B. Now, I've said it before, I hate doing the bar chords on this just because if you don't do them perfect, or if you're pulling a little bit too much on a string or pushing and you don't get that perfect sound, and when you're doing fast changes, it's hard. See, you can hear the differences just by changing how I'm pressing. So when it does sound out of tune, it's just, I have trouble with it too. That's something that, part of it is what I really think, and I wish when Merlin reinvents or when Seagull reinvents the Merlin, they do a few things and change it to like a smaller fret. They're using jumbo frets on these ones. So the harder you push, the more you're gonna put tension on that string and bend it up and take it out to tune, which is a lot of the intonation problems you hear about. That's the problem right there. Anyways, I'm off topic. So it starts in the A. So let's just do the parts, the add-ons I'm going to be doing, so we don't have to cover them as we go. So when you're in the A, you're doing a full bar, but then you're going to be putting on the second fret. You see? Now you're going to be doing an add-on. Same with the B. There's that add-on there. And then for your E, you're actually doing two add-ons. You're doing a walk up and down. So you start in the A. That's your intro. Oh, I just can't hold on to a pick today. to my good pick. And then when that's done, you come into your verse, which is the same chords again. So you start with the A. This time you're not doing any add-ons on the A and the B. You're still doing it on the E though. So the verse starts. That's it. So it's the A, E with your run up. A, B, E. Doesn't get much simpler than that. You just got your bar chords on that. You're really not doing any add-ons of those. You are doing the E though, so remember that. It's all on the middle fret. And then, so that's your verse. That's the whole verse. Simple, right? So now for your chorus. It starts in the E. It's that don't you know. B, A, E, A, B, E. So let's do that a little faster. So it's. And then you go back to the verse. So let's do it again first. On the last part of that verse, I put the add-ins in. You can leave them in, put them out, or whatever you want to do. Just wherever you feel they go, put them in. It's one of those things, right? If there's somebody singing, it's always the same. If there's somebody singing, you want to do less. So you want to let them hear, and then when you get the breaks, that's when you want to put more stuff in. But I'll leave it up to you. But that's it. Those are your three parts. You've got your intro, you've got your chorus, and you got your verse. It's pretty straightforward, and it's the same three chords the whole song. You just hard part is the add-ons. So let's start from the beginning. We'll play through it once here at a slower speed. I hate going slow speed. My pick. So like I said, that's pretty much the whole thing. So let's do it a little bit faster. Under 10 minutes. That's pretty good, because first time I did this video it was like 16 minutes. That's because I talked too damn much. So that's it for that song. Like I said, it sounds a lot harder than it is, and once you get your add-ons down, it's pretty straightforward. You got your three chords. Just work at it, and it'll come. It always comes. Practice, practice, practice. Anyways, that's it for Big Yellow Taxi, Joni Mitchell. And we'll be back with a few more today. I think I got a few more in mind for today. So we'll cut it short there. Not short, but we'll cut it anyway. And we'll see you guys next time.